In this video you will learn about famous flash warning effect. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Drag and drop the video in sequence. Choose the video part you want to add effect on. Go to end part of video and take the screenshot. Drag and drop that screenshot to sequence. Add monster image on top of the screenshot. Go 2 frames forward and make the cut. Do this 3 times cause we will use 3 color. Go to effect panel and search for the invert effect. Add to all clips. And in effect control, go to invert effect, change channel RGB to red. And for second clip make it green and for third blue. And select all 6 clips, copy and paste. And your effect is ready.